The 8 plus 8 plus 8 rule. Distribute your 24 hours into 8, 8, 8 hours to make a good balance sheet of your life. 1. 8 hours of hard work. 2. 8 hours of good sleep. And 3. 8 hours should be spent on 3 F's, 3 H's, and 3 S. 3 F's are family, friends, and faith. 3 H's are health, hygiene, and hobby. 3 S are soul, service, and smile.
Never fall in love with the same person twice. The second time you'll be falling in love with the memories, not the person.
5 golden rules always remember. Number 1. No wealth is greater than a family. Number 2. There is no greater advisor than a father. Number 3. There is no world bigger than a mother. Number 4. No bigger partner than a brother. Number 5. No friend is better than a wife.
If you keep one hand on your past and one hand on your future, you'll never have either. To embrace tomorrow, you must let go of yesterday, and to embrace today, you must stop obsessing over tomorrow.
30 days challenge. Will you accept it? Rule number 1. Daily workout. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and plank. Number 2. Fix your emotion. Control your anger. Don't overreact, and observe more. Number 3. Develop a skill, which gonna help you in future. Number 4. Build your confidence. Talk to yourself, gain knowledge, and don't afraid to ask anything.